Congratulations on the purchase of your new LG washing machine. Let's go over a few important checkpoints to make sure you install your washing machine properly. First, the width of your washing machine is 600 mm and the height is 850 mm. The depth and weight will vary between models, so check your user manual if you need the specifics. With the dimensions, you can check the required clearance for the pathway to your installation location and the installation space. You will need 20 mm of space on each side and at least 5 mm of space on the top. You should also check to make sure you have enough space in the back and room to open the door fully. Also, be sure you have sufficient solid flooring such as laminate or concrete flooring in the installation space. Floors that are prone to vibration, or are uneven such as wood, may contribute to excessive vibration and unbalance, errors, and malfunction. If you must install your washing machine on wooden or tile flooring, use rubber cups that you can purchase from your LG service center. Do not level uneven floors by putting pieces of wood, cardboard or similar materials under the washing machine. And never install the washing machine on a platform or weakly supported structure. You should also check the installation environment. Make sure nothing is blocking the airflow around the washing machine. The room temperature should never drop below freezing, as frozen hoses may burst under pressure. Whereas if you are installing the washing machine in your kitchen, avoid installing it next to a gas cooker or a stove. However, if you have no choice and that is unavoidable, insert insulation covered with aluminium foil on the side facing the cooker or stove. Next, check the location of the power socket. It must be within 1 meter of either side of the washing machine. Do not use power strips, multiple sockets, or an extension lead. Check if you have the correct socket for the washing machine plug. Also, make sure you are plugged into a grounded or earthed socket for safety. Failure to follow this warning can cause serious injury, fire, electric shock, or even death. You will also need to have direct access to a water tap. If you have only one water inlet behind your washing machine, connect the hose to the cold water supply only. Make sure you don't connect it to a hot water tap. For detailed instructions, check out our video on how to connect the water supply hose. However, if you happen to have 2 water inlets, connect each inlet to its corresponding water supply. Make sure you have adequate water pressure. If your water pressure is too high, you will need to install a decompression device. Lastly, you will also need to be able to access a suitable drain such as a standpipe drain. The drain hose should be placed between 40 and 100 centimeters above the floor, otherwise water may not drain properly. And those are the important things to check before installing your new LG washing machine. We hope you make the most of your new LG appliance. Thank you for using LG washing machines.